Hello, and welcome back to the channel, Irene Consulting Firm, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been buzzing in the financial world, credit cycling. Whether you're managing personal finances or handling the books for a small business, understanding credit cycling could impact your financial strategy. So let's get into it. What is credit cycling? Credit cycling refers to the practice of repeatedly using and paying off a credit card or line of credit to free up more borrowing capacity. It's like riding a financial bicycle, where each pedal stroke represents spending and repayment, keeping the wheels of credit moving. This method can be used to manage cash flow, take advantage of rewards, or even leverage credit for investments, but it's not without its pitfalls. However, credit cycling can also be risky if not managed responsibly. It may lead to overspending beyond one's means, accruing high-interest debt, or damaging one's credit score if payments are missed. Additionally, constantly revolving credit balances can indicate financial instability to lenders, potentially affecting future borrowing opportunities. To avoid these pitfalls, it's crucial to maintain a balanced approach, using credit cycling strategically while staying within one's financial means. Responsible budgeting, timely payments, and regular monitoring of credit activity are essential practices to ensure credit cycling remains a helpful financial tool rather than a burden. The benefits of credit cycling. First, let's look at the brighter side. Credit cycling can amplify your ability to earn points, miles, or cash back on credit cards. For small businesses, it can be a lifeline, offering a way to manage cash flow when timing mismatches arise between payables and receivables. It can also potentially improve your credit score by demonstrating responsible credit use and maintaining low credit utilization ratios. Indeed, on the brighter side, credit cycling can be a powerful strategy for maximizing rewards on credit cards. By strategically timing purchases and payments, individuals can accrue more points, miles, or cashback, enhancing their overall benefits. For small businesses, credit cycling serves as a valuable tool for smoothing out cash flow fluctuations, especially when there are disparities between payables and receivables. Moreover, responsible credit cycling can positively impact one's credit score by showcasing disciplined credit management and maintaining low credit utilization ratios, ultimately improving financial health and access to future credit opportunities. The risks and downsides. However, where there's reward, there's often risk. Credit cycling can lead to overspending, as the psychological barrier to spending is lowered. There's also the danger of getting caught in a debt cycle if revenues or income don't match expectations. For businesses, this strategy demands strict financial discipline and oversight. Missteps can lead to increased debt and potentially harm your credit score, affecting future borrowing costs and opportunities. Absolutely, where there are rewards, there are also risks to consider. Credit cycling can indeed tempt individuals to overspend, as the psychological barrier to spending is often lowered when one relies heavily on credit. Moreover, there's a significant danger of falling into a debt cycle, especially if expected revenues or income fail to materialize as planned. For businesses, implementing credit cycling demands rigorous financial discipline and oversight to avoid detrimental outcomes. Any missteps in this strategy can result in accumulating debt, potentially harming credit scores and adversely impacting future borrowing costs and opportunities. Thus, it's crucial to approach credit cycling with caution and careful planning to mitigate these risks effectively. Should you credit cycle? So, should you or your business engage in credit cycling? It depends. If you have a firm grip on your finances, understand the terms of your credit agreements, and can navigate the risks, it might offer some advantages. However, it's not a strategy for everyone. Consider your financial stability, goals, and risk tolerance, and always have a plan to pay off debt to avoid potential financial strain. Exactly, whether you or your business should engage in credit cycling depends on several factors. If you possess a strong understanding of your finances, are well-versed in the terms of your credit agreements, and can effectively manage the associated risks, credit cycling might provide certain advantages. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all strategy. It's essential to evaluate your financial stability, goals, and risk tolerance before deciding to implement credit cycling. Additionally, always have a clear plan in place to pay off any accumulated debt promptly to prevent potential financial strain and ensure long-term financial well-being. How to safely engage in credit cycling. Absolutely. If you're considering exploring credit cycling, it's essential to proceed thoughtfully and responsibly. Here are some helpful tips to guide you. 1. Set clear spending limits. Establish specific boundaries for your spending and commit to sticking to them. This can help prevent overspending and keep your finances in check. 2. Monitor accounts regularly. Stay vigilant about monitoring your credit card accounts to catch any potential fees or penalties early on. This proactive approach can save you from unexpected financial burdens. 3. Create a repayment plan. Develop a structured repayment plan, prioritizing paying off high-interest debt first. This can help minimize interest costs and accelerate your journey toward financial freedom. 4. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who can offer personalized guidance tailored to your individual financial situation. They can help you navigate the complexities of credit cycling and make informed decisions. Credit cycling can be a valuable tool for maximizing rewards or managing business cash flow, but it requires careful consideration and discipline. By implementing these tips and understanding the nuances of credit cycling, you can harness its benefits while avoiding potential pitfalls. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on managing your finances effectively. Have experiences or tips about credit cycling? Share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay financially savvy. For assistance with bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, data/business analysis, or data visualization services, please reach out to Irene Consulting Firm. We're ready and eager to help.